friends! Today we are going to learn how to make an Indian headdress. Look how beautiful it looks, and it's full of colorful feathers. If you want to learn how to make it, pay attention and write down everything we're going to need. Let's get started. We will need a black pen, black and colored foam, hot glue, round scissors, and the cutout that's in the video description. Are you ready? Let's start by cutting out our feathers. Now that we've cut all three parts, let's trace one size with a pen. With the help of our black pen, let's mark the outline on the colored foam, just like this. Now we have to cut out our mold. Once trimmed, you can add some details to the colored feather. Make sure to do that with all the other feathers. Look how beautiful they look. With the help of our tape measure, measure your head and cut a strip of black foam. It will be the base for us to attach the feathers to. Put some glue on each one and press well on each feather. After that, we can add triangles of different colors to put on our headdress. Look how beautiful it's getting! Don't forget to glue any triangles. Now we just have to close the ends of our headdress. Press firmly so the glue sticks well. Look how beautiful it looks, full of colorful feathers. If you like that, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Until next time.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.